Just a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame, on our hourly time frame I should say, for a daily update. As we can see, putting in a range in this local area, coming down to support today, as we can see. With Bitcoin still chopping sideways, altcoins obviously bleed. This always happens. If you don't know this, you know it now. Keep it in your mind when Bitcoin goes sideways and has a little bit of a bearish sentiment. Altcoins always tend to trickle to the downside unless they have some kind of crazy, you know, fundamental bullish narrative that's going on, particularly with a singular token, or if it's meme coins, which can just pump at any moment, really, can't they? Depending on all kinds of crazy catalysts in the world. But you can see, just like most large altcoins right now, Polygon putting in a range. We're at the bottom of our range at support again, waiting for Bitcoin to lead us to the upside. Overall, Polygon is coiling up into this big apex of basically support and resistance. You can see you've got your support all the way through here, and you've got your resistance here. We've got the fake breakout. We've come back inside, and now we're waiting for decision time for the bull market. It's going to be coming real soon. I think Bitcoin's going to be leading the wider market to the upside pretty soon, in my opinion. Overall, let's see what we can do.